In this video we are taking a look at this oscillator here. That is the so-called RSI indicator. This one is very popular, so let's see how we can create an expert advisor for the RSI.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the RSI indicator to generate buy and sell signals. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the Trade.mqh library, which provides functions for trading operations. We then create an instance of the CTrade class to handle our trade operations. Inside the OnTick function, we begin by calculating the ask price using the SymbolInfoDouble function with the symbol ask parameter. The result is normalized to the number of digits for the current symbol. Similarly, we calculate the bid price using the symbol bid parameter and normalize it. Next, we create a string variable named signal to store our trading signal. We also create an array named myRSIArray to hold the RSI values. We set this array to be sorted from the current candle downwards using ArraySetAsSeries. We define the properties for the RSI indicator by calling the myRSI function with the current symbol, the current period, a period of 14, and the price close price type. We then use copy buffer to fill our myRSIArray with RSI values from the current candle, looking back 3 candles. We calculate the current RSI value by normalizing the first element of the myRSIArray to 2 decimal places. If the RSI value is greater than 70, we set the signal to sell. If the RSI value is less than 30, we set the signal to buy. If the signal is sell and there are no open positions, we execute a sell order for a 0.1, 10 microlots at the bid price. The stop loss is set 200 points above the bid price, and the take profit is set 150 points below the bid price. If the signal is buy and there are no open positions, we execute a buy order for a 0.10 lots, 10 microlots at the ask price. The stop loss is set 200 points below the ask price, and the take profit is set 150 points above the ask price. Finally, we output the current signal to the chart using the comment function. We press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, we go back to Metatrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metatrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. We have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the RSI indicator to generate buy and sell signals with just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, by now you should see the RSI and several trades on your chart. I hope everything went well, and I would like to say thank you for watching. If it was too fast for you, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you. You can find that one on our website. For now, I would like to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.